Hello and welcome to Technology for Blind YouTube channel. So I'm back with another tutorial. I'm going to be teaching you how to use the screen recorder called Debut video capture software from NCH. So when it comes to the Debut, it is mostly accessible, but some part of the software is not quite accessible. If you are completely blind, some of the areas in Debut is not accessible, but you can do the basics. Okay, so apart from the Debut, the OBS Open Broadcaster software is the best and accessible screen recording and also live streaming software for visually impaired and also blind people, as my opinion. So I have done tutorials related to OBS. If you want, you can visit my YouTube channel and watch all those tutorials. So let's launch Debut. Now I have provided the link.
Debut video capture software, desktop app. Press right to switch preview 1 of 4.
Okay.
Debut by NCH software, unlicensed, non-commercial home use only dialog select recording.
So this is a paid software. This time I am using the trial. So there are cracks available, but since I'm not using the Debut video capture software most often, I don't need those cracks. But if you are comfortable, if you are familiar with the Debut software, you can use the crack. I hope the blindhelp.net has provided some cracks. Okay, so
button.
First of all, let's go to the options.
Debut options dialog. Video.
You can go to the options by pressing Ctrl O.
Load screen capture radio button checked. Tab control. Video tab selected.
Video tab.
Video property page 30 FPS view recommended capture devices view how to get the URL of network camera. Screen capture radio button checked.
Now this means it asks for the source. Now what would you like to be captured? Now this time the default is screen capture. Now there are
load last selection check
options available.
Screen.
Press up arrow.
Network camera radio button checked.
Network camera. I don't know what this is means, but if you can consider, if you can refer to the user guide, so there will be some information about this setting.
Capture device radio button checked.
Capture device.
Use original frame timestamps. Capture
capture device. I think we can attach a capture device to this system.
Webcam radio button checked.
Webcam self-explanatory.
Stretch video to widescreen check.
Now
webcam.
there will be a list available. Webcam. So
Net screen capture rate.
Screen
load
capture.
last selection checkbox checked.
I don't know what this means, so leave it as default.
Limit frame rate slider 40.
Frame rate self-explanatory.
44, 40, 52.
52. It's FPS.
Apply gamma ramp. Only works with full screen applications. Checkbox not checked.
I don't know what this means.
OK button.
Okay.
Can't help button. Tab control. Video tabs. Audio tab selected.
Audio.
Audio property page to record audio. Select from the options below. Microphone checkbox checked.
The microphone.
Combo box virtual audio capture or collapsed.
Virtual audio capturer, which means it will record your system sound. And
microphone to generic USB audio device.
this is my microphone currently attached to this system. Currently I'm using to record. So let's select
Virtual system mixer button.
System mixer.
Pressed.
User,
Sound dialog. Recording property page. So
they are available. You can change settings.
Debut speakers checkbox not checked.
Speakers. Now if you want to record your microphone and also the internal sound of the computer, you can
checked.
check this checkbox and
Combo box device collapsed.
you can select
Filter driver.
let's leave it as default.
Not checked. Mouse clicks checkbox not checked.
Mouse clicks.
Checked. OK button.
Mouse click means if you press the mouse left click or right click, it will simulate a click like a sound. Okay.
Cancel help but tab control. Output tab selected.
Output self-explanatory.
Output property page example. Untitled 1.avi, untitled 2.avi, untitled 3.avi, etc. Next auto number 1. Warn when hard drive space is low. Below MB. Edit. Selected 300.
Yeah, self-explanatory.
Spin button. Destination folder grouping. Destination folder edit. Selected C. Users Realm videos debut.
Self-explanatory. If you want to change, you can press this button.
Locate output folder. Dialog.
Folder, okay.
Debut output file name grouping. Use this file name format radio button checked.
Yeah. if you want, you can use the default file name. It will be untitled 1, untitled 2, etc.
Prompt for file name
Or
before recording starts. Radio button.
you can select this radio button, which means whenever you start recording, it will prompt before the recording what would you like to be named the recording. Okay, so let's
Use this file name.
this
Format. Edit. Selected untitled % auto number %.
self-explanatory until untitled 1, until untitled 2, etc.
Reset button.
Reset means
Pressed.
it will reset
Auto number button.
auto number.
To view video capture software dialog, auto number was reset to 1. Please back up the recorded files and remove them from the destination folder. Otherwise, the auto number will ignore the existing files and use the first available number. OK button.
Now
To view
this setting means let's assume you have recorded 10 videos. Now untitled 1 to 10 there are available files. Okay, now after
To view
pressing
video
this
capture
button,
to
it will reset the untitled number to 1. So whenever it starts recording, it will ignore the file which is in the videos directory, which is in the output directory named untitled 1. Okay,
mirror recording to this folder. E.G. Network or backup drive. Checkbox not checked.
it is something data redundancy, I think.
Run command line application. Advanced option. Use %file % for file.
These are a little bit advanced. Okay,
OK but can't help button. Tab control. Hotkeys tab select.
hotkeys means shortcut keys.
Hotkeys property page. Enable system-wide hotkeys checkbox checked. Key assignment grouping. Key assignment list.
Now there are some assigned keys.
CTRL plus F9. Command. Record 1 of 6. CTRL plus F10. Command. Stop 2 of 6. CTRL plus F11. Command. Center recording on cursor 3 of 6. CTRL plus F12. Command. Snapshot 4 of 6. CTRL plus num1. Command. Zoom 100% 5 of 6. CTRL plus num2. Command. Zoom 200% 6 of 6.
So
Add. Button.
let's add a hotkey.
Add new hotkey dialog. Hotkey grouping click change. To assign key. Change. Button. Command grouping. Command. Hotkey. Press key dialog. Press a key or a key combination. Cancel button.
Now let's press Ctrl plus F8.
Add new hotkey dialog. Hotkey grouping CTRL plus F8. Command grouping. Command combo box record collab.
Command
Pause.
Pause will be okay.
OK button. To view option. Key assign CTRL plus F8. Command. Pause 1 of 7.
Okay.
Add. Change. Button.
You can change,
Delete. Button.
Delete.
OK but can't help but tab.
etc. Okay.
Record tab selected.
Record tab.
Record property page when the maximum recording time is reached. Limits grouping. Limit maximum recording time. SS 2. Edit. Selected 10 hours, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds.
Self-explanatory. It will limit the recording time.
Stop recording radio button checked.
After the limit has reached, when this radio button is checked, it will stop the recording, and
Create new recording and continue radio button checked.
when this radio button is checked, it will create a new recording. Okay.
Screen capture grouping. Disable preview when recording in screen capture checkbox not checked.
I don't know what those settings mean.
Minimize to view window when recording if it is covering the recording selection checkbox checked. Minimize to tray checkbox not checked. Quick stop from tray checkbox not checked.
These are self-explanatory.
Mouse cursor settings grouping. Show mouse cursor checkbox not checked. OK button. Cancel help tab snapshots tab select.
Snapshot. Now you can take snapshot using the debut. I'll show how to do that in a minute.
Snapshots property page example. Untitled 1.jpg, untitled 2.jpg, untitled 3.jpg, etc. Next auto number. 1 quality. Destination folder grouping. Destination folder edit. Selected C button.
Self-explanatory.
Output file name grouping. Use this file name format. Edit. Select reset button. Reset auto number button. Snapshot type grouping. Snapshot type combo box.jpg collapsed.
JPG. It is a file type.
Format. Combo box regular quality collapsed.
Regular.
High quality.
High quality.
Low quality.
Let's select high quality.
Show flash when taking a snapshot checkbox check. Play shutter sound when capturing a snapshot checkbox check. Warn when overwriting an existing snapshot checkbox not check. OK cancel help button.
Okay.
Tab schedule tab selected.
When we consider the debut video recording software, we can use this scheduler to schedule a recording, start time and stop time. In OBS, unfortunately, we don't have that option. Okay, so
Schedule property page. Schedule a time for debut to automatically begin recording list.
now we have to
Add button. Press scheduled recording dialog. Name. Edit. Selected schedule recording 2019-04-2012-23.
Okay.
Active checkbox checked.
Active.
Scheduling grouping. Daily radio button checked. Weekly radio button checked. Daily rate one-time radio button checked. Start time. Drop list 2019 0420. 2020 0420. 2019 0420. Drop list 1 hour, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds PM. End time. Drop list 2009. Drop list.
So you can
Source grouping.
select according to your preference.
Sketch source grouping. Webcam radio button notch. Capture device. Network radio but screen radio. Audio grouping. Capture sound. Mouse clicks. Speakers. Microphone. Add button. Cancel button. Help button. Debut.
So-
OK. Cancel. Help tab. Other tab. Select.
Other.
Other property page. Start. Run debut when computer starts. Checkbox not checked.
These are self-explanatory settings.
Start recording automatically when debut runs. Checkbox not checked. Enable the include timestamp checkbox when debut runs. Checkbox not checked. Dialogues grouping. Display notification when starting screen capture if debut will be hit. Display show recordings dialog when recording. Tone grouping. Sound record tone when recording starts. Checkbox checked. Sound OK but can't help button.
So
Start.
let's
Can't OK button. Press debut by ends.
now you can start record by pressing Ctrl plus F9.
Debut video capture software dialog. The debut window will now be hidden. You can use Ctrl plus F10 shortcut to stop. Right click the tray icon in the taskbar to display the tray menu. Start recording button. Cancel. Do not show this message again. Checkbox not checked. Read only. Checked. Start recording button. Choose type of application you want to capture. Dialog. Are you going to capture a resource demanding application, like a modern game? If yes, it is recommended to switch debut to the fast capture mode. In this mode, the debut overhead will be minimal while keeping same video quality. You can always change the modes in record screen as list. Yes, switch to fast capture mode button.
Now if you are recording a high-end game, you can use this mode,
No, use current mode button.
or you can use this mode.
Do not show checked. No, you press taskbar.
Simple. Now
Desktop.
as you heard, it has started recording. You can hear the teeth sound.
Recycle bin 5 contains the files and
very
Firefox 4 of 5.
simple.
This PC with
So let's
desktop.
close the recording. Stop the recording by pressing Ctrl plus F10.
Debut by NCH software. Unlicensed.
So let's
Not run
play
dialog.
videos.
Desktop videos win items view cap to bureau items select taskbar.
Yeah, this is the
Desktop.
recording.
Desktop. Recycle bin 5 contains the files and Firefox 4 of 5. This PC with desktop.
So
Debut window.
Let's
Items. Delete file dialog. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Untitled 1.avi item type. Avi video file. VLC. Size. 363 kilobytes length. 0 hours. 0 minutes. And 19 seconds. Pressed.
so
Debut.
if you want to take a snapshot, simply press Ctrl plus F12. You can hear a shutter sound.
Desktop list. Debut by NC.
Okay, let's take again.
Desktop list. Debut by desktop list. Debut by NC. Phone.
So let's take this PC. As you can hear,
Devices and folders. Device. Item. Item folder. Desktop row. Documents. Downloads row. Music row 2 column. Tree view.
so let's
Item. Pictures. Debut.
Preview.
Items. Select. Photos.
These
Untitled
are the
1.jpg photo.
snapshots.
Photos
Okay,
window.
right.
Untitled 8 untitled third untitled 20.j untitled 25 untitled 20
So
debut window items view list photos debut item delete pictures desktop list debut by NC
if you want to change the file format, the recording file format, simply
button property page button combo button show cursor more encoded video button record screen as combo box.avi collapsed
now there are
.asf
options.
.avi .dv .flv .mkv .mov .mp4
Yeah, .mp4.
property page button property page select button combo box folder view collapsed button show selection rectangle show more options button
No, there are
debut
more
option create new limit maximum debut
This is the more
encoder op mp
encode options. These are little bit advanced. If you know what you are doing, you can do. If not, you will screw your audio, screw your video quality. Okay.
help video grouping video combo box H264 collapsed
Now there are
MPEG 4
settings.
H2 video quality / bitrate combo box collapsed edit selected default quality / fill size default quality / fill size video quality / bitrate list high quality / larger fill size
File size.
MP4 encoding settings audio OK cancel help button
These are
debut video
self-explanatory. If you
Enc-
know
video
what
video-
you are doing,
limit shrink or enlarge the Limit frame rate. Enable time lapse. OK but can't help but shrink or enlarge the video to debut button. File submenu Alt plus F. Record CTRL plus F9R. Pause CTRL plus F8 unavailable P.
Simple.
Stop CTRL plus F10 unavailable S. Capture snapshot CTRL plus F12C. Schedule recording. CTRL plus R. Manage recordings. CTRL plus LM. Register software. Exit Alt plus F4X. Record CTRL plus F9R. Files. Screen capture submenu Alt plus S. Screen capture menu. Capture primary monitor on of capture second capture hold. Center record zoom. Capture by screen view sub show preview at actual size S. Full screen Alt plus enter unavailable. Recording CTRL minimize to show preview full view tools text caption T.
Text caption. You can add a text caption while recording or on the snapshot.
Color and video effects C.
Video effects. There are tons and tons of settings available in debut.
Watermark. The camera overlay C. Mouse settings. Audio settings. Launch submenu L. Options. Text cap tools help contents F1H. Debut homepage D. Purchase debut P. Share debut submenu S. Technical support page T. Discussion forum D. Send improvement suggestion or feedback S. Send bug report S. Install optional tools and extras I. Check for updated version C. Sign up to newsletter S. Like NCH software on Facebook L. Follow NC video software download catalog V. NCH software homepage about debut help contents about debut dialog. OK button. Tab control. About tab selected. OK button. Tab license terms. Edit read only multi-line. Selected 10,084 characters.
Oh, 10,084 characters.
OK but debut but.
This is the end of the video. There are no any advanced things to educate you guys. You have to play with this recorder with the software. So these are the basics. If you are totally blind, you can do most of the part. Now there are some tools available. You can select an area on the system which you want to record using the mouse. Those are a little bit advanced. We have to have our visual to do those kind of things, but this is a great screen recorder if you want to use for basic editing, basic recordings. Okay, and also the snapshot feature is very great. Okay, so thank you for watching Technology for Blind YouTube channel. See you in the next video. If you have any questions or comments, please post in the comment section. Feel free to contact me using the email address I have provided, and follow me on Facebook. I have provided the link below. Visit and press the like button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Signing out, Mohammed Rashad.